Once again, trying out some foil reflective thermal insulation stuff, and it is remarkable. I am just sold on this stuff. I really should be a salesperson for it. Did a little piece. You can tell we got the morning sun at Mom's house. She's got a freezer right here in front of the garage door. Then the one section you're looking at, freezer here, you're looking at like a 30-degree difference. Watch this sucker. We're getting 83 degrees, 77 degrees in the middle, 77, 77, 77. All right, now let's pop off that. 77 degrees. Boom! 110, 111 degrees. Now there's no shade or anything on the other side of that foil part. That is just both identical getting the sun. 111 degrees. 112 degrees. Back to 76. Tell me that can't be a cost savings right there. Check it out, fuck guys. www.atticfoil.com, and I don't get a dime.